now that I've adjusted or tested and adjusted the nitrogen level in this soil, the lettuce in here is really growing. So what I'm going to have to do, or what I'm going to do, is thin it out, move some of these plants up to the upper greenhouse, the outside greenhouse. And I'm also testing the soil for that greenhouse, see what I end up with. So I'll move some of these plants, get them up there, and I'll see you later. Over here are the ones that I brought up from the heated greenhouse to thin that out. Some of them didn't like that move as of yet. We'll see if they can recover. Usually they will, but take a look. Some of them might not. But we'll watch them. Say I have lots more down there, but you hate to lose any. Okay, so we'll keep you informed with what we find out with the soil.